In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to book and issue an NDC order for both flights and ancillary services in Amadeus. You'll be working primarily within the Graphical User Interface, GUI. To complete this workflow, keep in mind that this process is time-sensitive. Once an offer is selected, you typically have a 30-minute window to complete the booking and create the order. It is recommended to first create the NDC order for the selected itinerary, as the order creation is subject to this time limit. Once the NDC order has been successfully created, you can proceed to add ancillary services or select advanced seating. In this video, we will skip the itinerary booking and passenger detail steps, as we have already covered how to create an NDC order for the required itinerary in a previous session. At this point, you will notice a countdown timer showing 27 minutes remaining. This timer is there to help you keep track, so be sure to complete the NDC order before the time runs out. In the booking file, go to the Service section and click the Add Service hyperlink. This will open the service catalog, where you will see a list of services offered by Etihad Airways. By default, all passengers and segments are pre-selected, but you can adjust the filters as needed. Here, you will find both complimentary and chargeable services available for the selected itinerary. Let's book the first checked bag 32 kg service. Start by clicking on the drop-down list. From the chargeable options, selected 01 bag, 32 kg. Next, choose the passenger Zafar Al-Ansari and select the segment from Abu Dhabi to New York. The price for this service is AED 920. Now click the Add Services button. Once completed, a green confirmation message will appear, indicating that the service has been successfully added to your booking. The selected passenger and segment will now appear grayed out for the booked service. You will also see a warning message stating, "Displayed service list expires in 29 minutes." This serves as a reminder to complete your service selection within the given time, as prices may change or services may no longer be available after the time limit expires. If you want to add more services, click the Add More Services button. Otherwise, click the Close Catalog link to exit the service catalog. On the booking summary page, you will see a warning message stating, "NDC offer expires in 25 minutes." Now click the Add Seats hyperlink to proceed with advanced seat selection. The graphical seat map will be displayed by default for Segment 1, Abu Dhabi to New York, for Passenger 1. If needed, you can also select other segments for advanced seating from the drop-down list. Let's assign Seat 20A. This is a bulkhead window seat on the left side. Here are the seat characteristics. The seat is vacant, and the price is AED 1140 per passenger. Now select Seat 20A. You will see the price confirmed as AED 1140. Click the Add Seats button. A green confirmation message will appear, indicating that the seat has been successfully added to your booking. Now select Segment 2, New York to Abu Dhabi, for Passenger 1. Let's assign Seat 20K. This is a bulkhead window seat on the right side. Here are the seat characteristics. The seat is vacant, and the price is AED 1140 per passenger. The total price for both seats is AED 2280. Now click the Add Seats button. A green confirmation message will appear, confirming that the seats have been successfully added to your booking. Click the Close Seat Map hyperlink to return to the booking summary page. When creating an NDC order, you can calculate airline fees if you are using a credit card. Skipping this step may result in the agency being liable for any uncollected surcharges. Click the Calculate Fees hyperlink and select the card type. Then enter the first 6 digits of the card, also known as the BIN number, and click Calculate Fees. A confirmation message will appear stating, "Airline fees were added to the price details." In some cases, you may not see service fees or airline fees in the price breakdown if the airline has exempted these charges for a specific credit card. You can also remove these fees later if required. Review the tax details to ensure that all applicable taxes have been correctly applied to the itinerary. Once you are satisfied, click the Book button to complete the process. In the booking file, you will now see the NDC tag along with the booking details. The ticket arrangement TKTL is set for April 15, 2026. This section includes the reservation number, NDC order ID, Amadeus Record Locator, and Airline Record Locators. The option queues, OPC, show April 16, 2026, at 6 hours 38 minutes, indicating the deadline by which payment must be completed to issue the tickets and EMDs. The booking file now includes 5 special service requests, SSR, and ancillary services. These include the checked baggage service priced at AED 920, along with advanced seating requests, which are not chargeable due to higher RBDs or because they are complimentary. The total ancillary service charges amount to AED 920. Click the Add Service hyperlink if you need to add more services after creating the NDC order. Then click Close Service List to return to the booking file. Go to the Products section of the booking file. Click the Issue and Pay hyperlink, or select Issue and Pay from the drop-down menu next to the flight. This will take you to the Review and Issue Your NDC Content page. Before issuing the documents, make sure to review all the details carefully one final time. First, verify the passenger names. Next, check the itinerary details, including all segments and travel dates. Then review the total cost for all passengers and services. After that, confirm the fare amount, taxes, and full tax breakdown. Also review the baggage information. Finally, go through the full fare conditions before moving ahead. Once everything is confirmed, you are ready to finalize payment and issue the tickets and EMDs. Scroll to the bottom of the Review and Issue screen, where you will find the Form of Payment section. Select the appropriate payment type. If choosing cash, this is used when the agency is settling payment through standard BSP or ARC cash method. If selecting credit card, this is used when the passenger is paying directly with their own card. For this example, we will proceed with cash as the form of payment. Now click the Issue and Pay button. A green confirmation message will appear stating NDC content was paid and issued, along with the ticket and EMD numbers. You can click on the ticket number to view the ticket details. Similarly, click each EMD number one by one to view all issued EMDs for the ancillary services. The ticket arrangement is now updated with TKOK status, along with the last saved date and time. Now click the Cryptic display hyperlink to view the booking in Cryptic format. You can also retrieve the PNR or booking file in traditional Cryptic mode. In our next video, we will demonstrate how to issue NDC ancillary EMDs after the tickets have been issued. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.